So I'm making a palazzo trouser. So what I want to start first of all is to mark my start line. This line here will be my start line. I don't like this thing showing. So next you're going to measure is from your waist to your hips. From my waist to my hips is 8. So I'm marking 8 here. Mark 8 straight line. I'll mark 8 straight line. 8. I'll mark a straight line 8. So the next thing I'm going to measure is from my start line to my crotch is 9.2. How will you get your crotch? You divide your hips by 4. 37 divided by 4 is 9.25. So it's 9.2. That is where my crotch will be. 9.2. 9.2. That my crotch will be. This is my crotch line. The next thing I'm going to do is to here. I'll make here to be my, this line will be my guideline for my crotch. Here will be my guideline for my crotch. I made it 3. Depends on the division of your crotch. This crotch is at 7 divided by, when you divide, what you get is 2 points. 2 point something. So that is why I did this one. So from here you measure your waist. When you're doing palazzo, it depends on what you want. If you want the shaped palazzo, you measure your waist. But if you don't want the shaped palazzo, you put your hips measurement on the waist. So the hips is at 7. 7 divided by 4 is 9.2. 9.2 here. I'm going to be adding 3 inches. 3 inches because it's a palazzo. The same thing here. 9.2. 9.2 here plus 3 inch. Plus 3 inches. So I'm not connect this line straight. Connect this line straight. No any shaping because the palazzo. So for the front you do to get this crotch line here. What you do 37 divided by 20 for the front. For the front is 37. Your hip divided by 20. So when I added my own, I got 1.8. So you do it here. So you come out here by 1 inch. Come out here by 1 inch here. 1 inch here, then you connect your line from here. From here, you connect your line like this. And you cut out. So if you want, sometimes if you see some palazzo will have some if they are wearing it with folding around here, which is very bad. So I'm going to remove that rubbish folding now by going in just a bit, not too much. It's a palazzo, so I'll go in just a bit like this, just a bit. You see here, so I'll go in just a bit. If you like, I just go in, just go straight. You don't want to go in just a bit to them. Then that is all. Then for this place, for here, I'll go in here by half an inch. I don't need to measure, but I'm just doing it because I'm doing a tutorial. I'll go in here, but I can go in by 1 or by half. So I want to make here slants. Let me see this slant like this. Very easy. So let's cut it out. These are front. So you want to cut it out. These are front. So if I want to do it, so get your back, you can fold it. Fold like this. Fold it like this. Fold it. Now for the back, this is the front. You place it on the back like this, leaving some inches here and also at the back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to extend these lines. You extend these lines. So first of all, you extend this line, your crotch line, extend your hip line. This is very simple. So what you do now is from this place here, you come in here by 2 inch. Come in here by 2 inch here. Then you lift your boards, you lift here. If the person has a big one, you give them like 1.5 or 2. If person can use 1 here, let me use 1.5 here, 1.5 here to lift the boards from here. Then here, what you do now is start moving in by 2 inch. It will give this trouser a better shape than when you just cut like that. Sometimes some trouser is not looking good. So what you do now, you connect here like this to this place. So let me connect it. You can use your ruler if you want, but if you can also do a freehand. I don't know why I'm too used to. I'm used to doing freehand. I am just too used to doing freehand. I don't know because I learned with freehand. I don't know. So this is what your front will, your back will look like. Then from here, what you do, this is your from this line here. You come in from this line here. You come in by 1 inch. Use your tape here. Come in here by 1 inch here, here. Mark 1 inch here. Then come down here by half an inch, half an inch, half an inch. So what you do, you divide. Some people just add extra 2 inch, but I don't do that. What you do, you divide your hip measurement by 10. When I divide my what I call 3.8. For the front is by 20, for the back is by 10. From here, you measure 3.8. From this place, you're 3.8 from here, here. You see, it's adding. It seems like adding extra 2 inch, but I just prefer to do my own and be sure. So from here, you connect your lines. You connect from here, from this one line, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 3. You cannot go wrong making a trouser, a pants like this. Anything you're making when it comes to pants, you can never go wrong making it like this. You come out, it will come out so beautiful. You'll be so happy you did it like this. So from here, we'll just connect down. From here, we'll just connect like this down. Very simple. Connect here down. It's the same thing. We'll go here 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch, all the way down here 2 inch. Here 2 inch. It's very simple. You can make a pants trouser in 30. Okay, let's just say highest 1 hour. 1 hour, you've made a pants trouser. If you're selling it there, you can make up to 10 a day if you're very fast. It's very easy to make pants trouser. I don't know who make it to look very funny. This time, why will you make that to look very funny? Look very funny when you have me, somebody like me on this space. Some people don't like learning, or they don't want to learn. They just like easy life. So this is how we do it. Just connect it like this, 2 inches all the way down. This place, then from here you connect the same thing. Just connect here like this. From here, you go like this. From here, you go like this, 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 and go out. Simple, and then we cut out. This is your pant trouser. It's very simple and very easy. We cut out. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please follow my page. Don't forget to follow my page. So, cut out. So this is it. Over here. So cut it and go to join it together. Simple. This is your trouser. Thank you for watching. Bye.